What's up guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna play Reload and I'm gonna show you the reason why the charge shotgun is the best shotgun inside the game. And I hope you enjoy the video. Subscribe, leave a like, leave a notification, and let's go in this video. Let's go! Docs.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. They disappear.
I got a crown. Oh, you got your crown.
Yeah, I won the game. Didn't you see the thing?
No, I didn't watch it, bro. I even know.
Oh yeah, I just wanted to watch the outro.
Yeah, you wanted me to watch the flip from Reload or so.
The shotguns are feeling weird, bruh. For some reason, the shotguns sound like a flippin' pump, like a legendary pump. Why does it sound like it?
What was it?
Easy to say, I am a monster. I'm doubling down, bruh. I'm doubling down like another one. Just because I want to. Because I'm a crazy man.
Hit on me.
Okay. How much dead bodies do you have?
One. Ooh. The kid's charged legendary.
How?
Huh?
Oh, that's a lot of damage!
Yo! This thing sounds like a legendary pump. Why?
What thing?
The normal pump. Knocked. He's low. Yo!
Now they are just popping me or eels hook.
The Midas? What's the Midas doing? Is the Midas there?
Am I Russian?
That's a different Midas then, because where these teamers go? I knocked this teamer somewhere.
Am I Russian?
Okay. I don't doubt he's even there now.
Yeah, yeah, just show me.
Where? Oh my god, limited.
Oh, here's the under the
Yeah.
thing.
Why does it sound like a legendary pump? I don't understand. Why does the pump sound like a legendary pump?
Here's a blue pump.
Oh, I'm gonna tell you why. Oh, of course.
You can I get this pump? Yeah, you can have a charge.
Now you can have it.
I don't want it. I have a blue pump.
Then decide.
Take my twist.
Nice.
Don't make, bro. It's not about that. I'm deciding. I'm trying to take my twin make.
I don't know, but the pump feels weird, but it sounds like a legendary shotgun, but it's not legendary.
Running minis. There's mini.
Acting real sassy over there.
Okay, these minis I see. I see minis there. These are medkit there.
I almost got limited, but I don't know where.
That was under the flipping what's it was free.
There. I know. There.
Yeah.
Bounce for me, jump for me.
Huh?
Yeah, yes, remember, be careful. Huh? Oh my word, I'm so gay. Rush me. I don't wanna rush now. What you doing there, Zach?
Huh?
What you doing, bruh?
I'm going to peek it and I'm spraying this fucking twin
I broke him down. 20 damage on him. Rush him. He's running back now, look at him. I'm waiting for his teammate, bruh. Yes, a teammate, be careful.
Is he under?
Yeah. Kick.
Nice. He has a
I
charge.
don't have mats. Give me the mats over there.
Oh shit. Yeah.
Thank you.
You had a great job.
Ah, he's running, bruh.
Yeah, bro. I know you're too good here, bro.
Let's try this limit, bruh. Here's he. Cracked him 137. Is this guy stupid? Oh hell nah! This guy is so blind. I'm in front of his face. Of course, Tom. That's the Midas.
No. I'm reloading or what you call it, but it doesn't reload.
Sometimes don't work, bro. Oh, it's a zombie skin. The zombie skin is running.
All of it out so I can reload everything.
Yazzie. Cracked him. 72! Ah! Yo! This guy again, bro.
Like, why would you rush us? I'm actually into this.
Ain't nobody.
There's a supply there, but he's probably gonna go somewhere for that. They're fighting here, this side.
Gliding. He's gliding again, bruh. This guy.
Oh, yeah.
They by the tree. You see him?
Nuh-uh.
His teammate is here. Fuck this up. You don't see him. He's in the craftler. That crafty. Yo, low. 127 on him. 127 on him. Yeah. Behind you, his teammate. Kill him. Now we just finished his teammate. Yeah, under. Yosi. Kill him. Make sure you kill him. Yosi under. He's gonna kill me. There we go. Thank you for watching up the team, bro. Yeah, it doesn't matter. He killed wipe up the team. He's being cocky annoying.
Better than your old duo.
Yeah, bruh.
You can come here and build us a box. And your mats and everything is all in here.
Thank you, yeah. Because they were cocky annoying anyway, so I wanted him to die.
You had ammo.
Sure.
Yeah, split that. Oh, wow, yeah, I gave you a lot. Yeah, I split everything for you.
Take this back. Okay, there we go.
That's fine. I have 107.
What the fuck? Now give it back. Thank you. You know you can just press triangle.
Dude, they now split it more than 50.
Oh yeah, true. There? It's like, why do these people want to build weird things, bro? It's not that deep, bro.
What's edit course in here, bro? Like, it's not even that good, bro. Like, it just did one.
Yeah. North side. West side, west side. He's running like Spider-Man. I mean he is Spider-Man.
Somebody that just
84 on him. 80 on this one.
Rush?
Yeah, but it's a different team. Let's go rush in. Because we are the monsters. Yeah, buy me actually. Knocked? Are you stupid? Oh my word, this guy is stupid. You see me charging up the charge, he still comes in my face. Storm, my child. My beautiful boy. Yeah. How did I miss? Cracked him. He's low. Black Spider-Man is low.
What did it again, crack? What it?
Oh my god!
You shot it. I'm rushing.
I see there. I can't eat this one, bruh. Even if I try.
Look is all. If it was nothing.
Coming. In the body. Where is he?
Is he on top stuff? I think he'll leave.
Nah, he's inside the building. Oh my word, can I just build? Can I?
Yossi. In this window.
It's a duo. You they shoot the RPG at me. 46 on him, 46. But I'm low. Cause this, I swear this people, there's RPG keys, bruh.
Yes. Yes, I'm playing.
Okay, I'm cooked, bro. I'm cooked. If there's a storm touching me, I'm dead. Yeah. His teammate is grappling. They're going into the link thingy, bro. Yeah, now I want to yo. You're there. They're both here.
Yo, whited.
Knocked. You in the reboot?
We rush this guy.
We rush him then. He's gonna try to keep it on, bruh. Jump through. Go. Kill this bitch ass.
Yes, Imra, I talk with you. Yes. Yeah. Okay.
There's some people fighting in storm.
Yes, smart. You're very smart. You're the smartest person I know.
You see there? In storm they're fighting.
Oh, it's stupid, man. Yes,
Yo, 69 on him! In 280 meters, I do 69, he dies in storm. There's no way I can eat that, bro.
There's someone below, so.
Oh!
Oh, I
Wow.
should full damage. Oh my word.
We both take full damage for us. Yeah, I buy all the medkits because I'm the rich man, yeah. Take this one. Come
Oh,
get some.
why didn't you buy your what you call it?
Nah, medkits are better. Oh no,
Now,
lie.
but that is for now. You could keep it for like in game.
There. I know my mark is blocking my thingy. There, you seen that box there now? Somebody's in there. He's ratting. Take this.
Come.
Huh? Oh, it's the zombie skin thingy. I didn't know. Was that the zombie active? We killed the zombie.
The trooper. What you call it, trooper?
Ah, the trooper. Now we killed that team, I remember. That's a solo. That's a solo.
Yeah,
He's fighting that guy. There he's
Yeah, I see
running.
someone running here. There's
Spider-Man!
one
78! 78! 31, 20 again! Yo, he's so low. Spider-Man is so low, bruh.
There's one just here, bro.
Then we go for him then? Why are you waiting? What are we waiting for, bruh? We didn't... He's running. 30. He's trying to take. He's under. He's under the water. He went under this water, yo, bruh, yo. That man is liquor running.
Where is he?
He's under the water. He went under. Cracked him for 107. That's a different man. Wait, this is his teammate is here, bruh. They're all underwater. Knocked. Then where's his teammate at? Nah, his teammate must be here, bruh.
Like
Where's his teammate?
Dead. See what this means?
I killed everybody.
Nice, let's go. Position is
Just more. Can you hide? No! This game must be gay, bruh. I don't wanna take storm damage. Take the fucking small moves.
Walk away. Wanna stay on the ground now. The people need a cheap and there you
You must take the shield kick, bruh.
Wanna look around and realize happiness is where you are.
Behind you! There's a footstep here.
I saw it now. There's about the tree. There's a
Mark?
medkit that side now.
I see him jumping down. Cracked
There's a
him.
medkit here. That side.
There's team there.
That side. Here, there's two.
There's a team there fighting this.
No! I
Cracked him! He's low. Midas is low.
Hold the box on the hill.
Ah, bruh. Knocked. What smart brains there. 25. Low.
12 on it.
He's low. Nah, man, he's freaking low. I'll leave his spin to die, bruh.
I'm rushing, but I think we're gonna rush.
Yeah, there's another team. His friend dies still. He's hiding, leave him, bruh. We can't really ret.
And cannon's back.
We can't ret, bruh, because there's another team here. Knocked.
Nice.
Leave that guy in storm. I'm gonna go down, bruh.
I'm coming with you.
Yo! Remember the mess! Yeah. In storm.
Yeah, we came to.
Nah, bruh, he's cooked, bruh.
Please don't go.
There's no way he's gonna survive storm. If he actually survives, then here we go. GG's.
Moet je maar kraan doen.
Yo, kawaii, bro. I don't give a fuck. Yes! GG's, bro. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys subscribe, leave a like, leave a notification, and peace out. Are you gonna say something?
No.
Okay.
Bye, guys.
Peace.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.